the hell?
Stop.
I'm finna give it to you, sir.
Stop and give me the receipt right here.
Can you chill out? I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm finna give it to you, sir.
Get down.
You have to do that.
Get down.
You have to do that. I'm telling you, I'm finna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm finna give it.
Stop.
Two sisters, two shopping carts, one receipt that never appeared, June 24th. Launching RCC, Broward County, Florida. Target called it in. Loss prevention flagged both women, pushing fully loaded carts straight past every register without paying. Retail theft. In Florida. Once the merchandise value clears $750, it stops being a misdemeanor. Florida Statute 812.014. Felony grand theft. Up to 5 years per count.
Ma'am, wait right there.
I paid for my stuff.
Okay, so let me see your receipt.
I did it off my card.
Okay,
Hold
so
on,
let
please.
me see your receipt.
Okay, let me get my receipt, because y'all doing the most. Y'all doing the most. Can I get my receipt,
you
sir?
come right here.
I'm finna get my receipt. You don't have to touch me.
You're gonna go right there.
Okay, I'm finna get, okay.
Okay, so
Okay, that's fine. I'll show you my receipt.
You got it over there. Why do you have to go to your car?
Because I got it on my phone, sir.
Okay, then show me on your phone.
Okay. Due to my storage is full, I'm waiting for it to update. I paid with Apple Pay.
Okay, so let me just see the receipt and you're good.
I said I just paid, baby, with my phone.
That's what I'm saying. When it
Do you have your receipt?
I just came. I'm not with her.
Okay, do you have your receipt or no?
I'm not with her, so I don't know what they have going on.
Listen to me. Two separate things then.
I don't know what they have going on. They don't have
Two
nothing to
separate
do with
things.
me.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm asking you. If you
I don't know what's going on.
Stop and listen to me. If you didn't steal, do you have a receipt?
Yes, I have my receipt.
Where is
but
it?
I'm trying to figure out why he's running after me. I don't even know
Where
what's
is
going
your
on.
receipt?
It's in my purse, but I don't even know them.
Let me have your receipt then. I'll get you out of here in 10 seconds.
But why I gotta show my receipt when I don't even know
Let me have your receipt.
Okay, give me a second. I'll give it to you. Like, I don't like, what the hell?
Stop.
I'm finna give it to you, sir.
Stop and give me the receipt right here.
Can you chill out? I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm finna give it to you, sir.
Get down.
You have to do that.
Get down.
You have to do that. I'm telling you, I'm finna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm finna give it.
Stop.
What is she doing? Oh,
so cop 5, you give us traffic.
Officers arrived. The first subject said she paid. She had a receipt. On her phone, in her purse, in her car. The story moved around a lot. The receipt stayed missing. The second subject's strategy was different. She said she didn't know the first subject. Officers already knew they entered together. Both stories were noted. Neither helped. Here is where the situation changed. Officers gave a direct lawful command. Hands behind your back. She kept talking. Florida Statute 843.02. Resisting an officer without violence. First-degree misdemeanor. Per incident, every refusal of a direct lawful command is a separate count. She handed them 3. The officer said it plainly. Shut up about the receipt. That time has passed. He was right. The window to produce the receipt closed the moment she physically resisted detention.
Stay down. Put your hands behind your back.
Open me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm finna give it. I'm finna give you.
Stop.
I'm finna give it to you.
You're gonna get paid.
Stop.
Bro, y'all doing the most.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Get up. I'm finna give it to you.
You ain't giving no one nothing now.
Damn, y'all doing the most.
We're detaining one now.
Y'all doing too much.
Keep your hands there.
Bro, I'm finna give y'all the receipt.
Yeah, there's another black female.
I'm finna give y'all the receipt, sir.
She was over there in a brown dress.
I'm finna give you the receipt.
We got the one with black pants and a burgundy sweater.
Bro, I'm finna give y'all the receipt.
Shut up about the receipt. That time is
You're
past.
past the receipt.
I asked you for it.
Yeah, I was trying to give it to you. I wasn't fighting him. I was trying to get him the receipt, but he grabbed me.
Shut up with the receipt.
What you mean, shut up?
Mike, take her to the car.
I was literally gonna give him my receipt, and he grabbed me.
Okay, you could have given him the receipt.
That's what I was trying to do, but he grabbed me.
Okay. Like I said, stay to that, okay? You stick to that one. And then you tried to run, why?
Because he tried to grab me. What is he grabbing me for? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What is he grabbing me for?
All right, put your feet in. We got the AC running. Put down.
Okay, I don't want to feel claustrophobic because I do have a heart murmur.
You're going to have to go in there.
I know, I understand. I just want to catch my breath real
Catch
quick.
your breath real quick.
I was trying to show you my receipt, sir, and you grabbed me.
I'm not arguing with you about what you
I'm
were
not
trying to
either,
do.
so why you
It was all on body cam.
Okay.
Guys and key over there. So
I know. Watch your leg. I don't want to slam it. Hey, just stay with her. You can stay in there. Either in the car here, but
That's the one that's missing.
no, that's the one I fought with. Oh wait, no.
No.
I'm sorry. You're right. Did you see which way she went after we went after the other girl?
She went west side, but I wasn't paying attention to her either. I was watching you guys chase her down.
Okay. Well, my trainee chased her down. He caught her.
I got one receipt. He's working on the other one, but I saw something.
Were they together?
Yeah, they always come in
Yeah,
together.
they're both pushing two separate cards.
So what color shirt is she wearing? I know she has like a beige.
Let me pull up a better shot.
I just sent a picture out to the group.
Okay, so it's like a
Yeah, it's like a
Pink?
beige pink. She doesn't look pregnant. Right?
Pregnant?
who?
This girl?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
Who did she hit? She hit anybody?
No.
Okay.
That's why I said 54-31 Leo.
Yeah, it just went really fast.
I know.
That's why I said we're chasing. Because last we heard was they were at the laundry. That's the last thing I heard. Me and
Oh,
TJ.
in the store. Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it's traffic and it's like.
The second subject ran. Her record includes battery on an officer, resisting with violence, and escape from a prisoner transport compartment. Running was not a miscalculation. It was a pattern. Shady was charged with felony grand theft, over $750, and resisting arrest without violence. 3 counts. Bond, $6,000. 3 months later, she was found guilty. This was not her first conviction for the same conduct. Less than a year before this arrest, she had been convicted of grand theft and sentenced to 60 days in jail. She was still on probation when officers made this arrest. A new felony arrest while on felony probation triggers a mandatory violation of probation proceeding. Both sentences run independently. Officers get an A. They gave her every chance to produce the receipt. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Shady gets a D. 2 carts, no receipt, a story that changed repeatedly. And when told to stop, she kept going. The right she had was the right to remain silent. She chose not to use it. Shakius gets a D. She ran. Her prior record establishes a clear pattern. Under Florida Statute 777.011, aiding or abetting a theft makes you a principal in the first degree. She helped push those carts. That was enough. Key lesson: arguing does not replace a receipt. Resisting does not erase footage. Every word spoken after an officer gives a lawful command, either helps your case or adds to the charge sheet. In this video, it added to the charge sheet. If you want more body cam footage, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. 2 carts. No receipt. 3 felony charges. What do you think the sentence should be? See you next week.